Oh, they put all these dang on cookies in one box like that.
Okay, well you gotta edit it.
Why are they
The
so
way I
big?
bought it.
You gotta fix it. I post it to my Instagram.
Oh, that's why they did it like that.
In my closet.
That looks so nasty.
What is this? The
Tres leche.
key lime pie and the Reese's peanut butter Oreo cookie.
I didn't see that
something.
one, so I don't know.
Or was it the Kit Kat?
Stop looking like that.
I can't remember.
Funky.
Okay.
And then I got 2 of each.
Except for the chocolate.
Of course, they're regular chocolate chip
That's
ones.
what I mean.
This is the Kit Kat chocolate cookie thing.
Wafer.
Ooh.
And I don't know what that brownie is. I think it's a
I want one of each.
No.
I
I don't remember ordering that.
You ordered one.
I thought I got 2 of these.
No, you got one of those and one of those.
Okay, well I got one iced oat milk
Because I saw you
cookie
press it.
and then the chocolate, whatever that is. I don't know what the names of these things are.
I wanted that. I saw it. I
This
wanted it.
iced oat milk cookie thing, it looked like oats and milk.
It looks
I guess that's the whole
disgusting.
point of it. So, we are going to taste.
And rate it 1 through 10.
1 through 10. I thought it was gonna be 5.
1 through
1
5.
through 10.
Alright, hold on.
Hey,
You're
Chris.
so in
Here.
love. You're so in love, Nina.
Here.
That just made me sad, Dad.
Why does it make you sad?
Because you just make me sad. This is the Tres Leches one, by the way. I
Yeah.
just want to go to sleep.
Why do you want to go to sleep?
Because you made me a little sad.
Why?
Because
Why
why
you
would you
sad?
do that? Do it again. Jesus.
Keela, you want some?
Stop.
Try it.
I'm going to cry again.
Preston, do you want to try
Yes, I'm waiting.
Daddy,
There's cinnamon in it.
it? Ethan, do you want to try
That
it?
looks good.
It's milk.
Oh my.
Ethan. You want...
Okay.
Nope.
What one?
Remember, he isn't really sweet.
I see him. He's there.
You see who?
I see him.
You see Jesus?
I don't see Jesus.
Was it that delicious?
This is pretty freaking good.
No, not really.
Really? That was good.
Tastes like a cake.
I mean, no, I haven't seen Jesus, but
Well, leche is milk, so
it was pretty good.
it's like triple
Did
milk.
you try it?
No.
You try it and rate
Try
it
it.
1 through 10.
No.
Okay.
No.
Mom, you making me
Can
sad.
somebody give me a bottle of water?
Really?
You want me to be sad?
So okay, we're gonna go
That was
around.
2.5.
Okay.
Okay, that's low. I'll give it
Jada?
a good 3.5.
Okay,
Okay.
4.5.
4.5.
4.5.
Think.
4.5.
Do you like it? 4.5. What about you, Keela?
3.5. It's a little too sweet for me.
Okay.
The Tres Leches cake is not really that great.
It's a 3, bro.
Thanks. Oh, wait.
What is it again?
Oh, okay.
I think he likes it.
Mm.
That stomach is a never-ending pit. It's an abyss of nothing.
Stop saying.
I took a big bite. That's peanut butter.
Yeah, there's chocolate. There's
You go first. You go first.
That's pretty good.
Ladies first.
Come on.
Ooh.
Keely's about to make me fall. She pushed me.
Whoops.
Ethan don't want to try this one either.
Ethan!
Do you want?
Try some of this crack in here.
S'mores.
There is crack and you're not trying any. You need to try some crack.
Give it to
Akila,
Sammy.
Can you give me? No, I think I left that in the car.
The Sani is $4.95.
It tastes like s'mores, but with peanut butter instead of...
And it's not even
It's
good.
s'mores, I believe.
Come on.
Yeah, it just tastes like that.
It just tastes like peanut butter, so I'm oh well, we're rated. Let that.
Yeah, go ahead and rate it. You know,
No,
you know,
put that on the camera. Put that on the camera.
put that on the camera.
Let's watch this never-ending abyss of a stomach. No.
All right, Nina, and Jada, what
I
you rate
it
it?
now. Well, I'll give it a. I don't know, That's my impression.
No.
Okay, I give it a 3. A solid 3. Because there's too much, it's a lot of peanut
Hey,
butter.
come here, I gotta tell you something.
Solid 3. There was way too much for you. Dad gives it a 10 out of 5.
Judah, well, you're too tall. The camera can't really see you.
Flip 5.
I give it a 2.
Wow.
No. A 2.
I'm not the-
And what do you say, Preston?
Man, they don't know what they're talking about. I was like 5 right there.
No, he gives it a 200 out of 6.
I'm not the.
Yeah, no, he gives a 200 out of 5. There was no 5 out of 5.
I'm not the. I'm
He's
not
the
the
5-star
biggest fan
rating.
of s'mores.
I don't really like it.
Oh, you don't like s'mores?
Not that.
Y'all are so
Don't you
tripe. It's
Okay,
not that bad.
I need
That's pretty
I
good.
need a plate.
It was just a lot of peanut butter.
Yeah, if you're not a peanut butter fan, you're not
Look
gonna
at
like it.
That
Key
is
lime.
Look at Key lime blood.
Bussin', bussin',
That looks disgusting.
I can taste it from here.
bussin',
Mom, you
bussin',
try this one, Mom.
bussin', bussin'.
It doesn't have any smell, but it smells like a sugar
Spray
cookie.
put the lime in.
So wait. Either it smells like a sugar cookie or it doesn't have any smell.
Like, no, I don't. It doesn't smell like key lime pie. It
Oh,
smells
Let me have
like
the
a
lime.
sugar cookie.
I don't think I'm gonna eat a.
I just want to eat
The lime because it's my diet.
What the?
I have to eat fruits and veggies.
Get Jay to get out.
We ain't
Ew.
fasting anymore.
Dad,
No.
I think that's hungry. I think he's hungry.
Yeah, I think he's
How many are? Well, there's okay.
There's a lot of us. I don't know how
He's
much.
turning into a zombie from
Three.
No, Dad's turning into a zombie. I'm sorry. We need to kill him.
Somebody killed Dad and he came.
Nope, I'm the zombie with the gun.
Somebody asked that question on there. They said, "Are we the type of best friends that, like, if you get bit up by a zombie, it's like bang bang and you're dead, or we just be zombies together? I let you bite me or you bite."
Okay,
whatever,
I'll shoot you in the
and we
head.
just
I'm
stay.
killing you.
No, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm sorry.
Okay,
I'm like scoring.
I'll take that little piece right there.
You got bit.
Oh, you gonna eat a little piece?
I'm sorry.
Are
Sorry.
you gonna
Yeah.
eat the lime?
Stop.
Jaden.
No, Jaden.
No. You're not eating the lime.
I mean,
sorry.
you gotta get every
I've already
penny's
been
worth.
feeding you. Come on now.
Every penny's worth.
Oh, it's a little
What? So you want someone else to have the lime?
You said soft to keep
Here.
Not bad.
Soft for a cookie.
Not bad. Takes a little while to go on.
It tastes like key lime, so I give it a
Not bad.
5
Yeah.
because it tastes like key lime. Would I eat it again? No.
I'm not the.
I'm not giving the look that I would want to be given.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out one at 3.5.
That's a 2 for me. I don't like key lime pie like that.
Get out of here.
2.5.
This, this is not a $5 cookie.
That is definitely
No.
not.
This is not a $5
It
cookie.
is a $5 cookie because you pay $5 for it.
No, I know what I paid because I wanted to try it because I had some money.
Right?
Yeah, cut that out.
My loan cleared.
Cut that out. Don't let them know that the loan cleared.
I had to take out
What?
a small loan to get some cookies.
No,
Nah, I was committing robbery.
what I say is the filling is good. The cookie is nasty.
Yeah, the cookie
Yeah,
wasn't
the
great. but
cookie
the filling was
wasn't
good.
amazing.
Tastes like pie crust.
Yeah, I'll agree with that.
For the filling.
But the feeling, if
But
I
still
eating
eat
it,
She's eating my
I don't know if I can believe you.
Mom needed a palate cleanser.
Yeah, because
Jada,
that cookie
well,
is nasty.
I wish
She's
it was a little
eating my
crunchier.
lime.
She ate your line.
That's okay.
You ate her line.
I
No,
really
I
do
think
wish
it's
it was
supposed to be.
crunchier,
It's
but
supposed to be. It's supposed to replicate like a pie crust.
Yeah, it
Crumbl.
tastes like a pie crust. A
Cook
nasty
your
pie.
cookie.
Looky here. You all want to make cookies really worth a while? We don't need pie crust. Make it a cookie. This
They
is
make
the
it
Kit
cook.
Kat chocolate cookie.
I'm sorry. I don't.
You're talking about me.
Dad,
That is so bad at taking pictures.
Dad's all up in it like.
I need
That's so bad. How
a
you
couple
move
of
before
paper
the picture
towels.
got
so I can
choked?
Wait a
cut
minute.
this.
Sam's always have food cameras. Did you know that?
No.
But look at that one.
Cameras.
I think it's just my phone that has it. But
Well, you can see her pretty nose. You see her pretty nose with the contrast, with the cool.
I don't know what that is because you're spinning the phone
You
around.
can see your pretty nose.
Okay.
Is that your vertigo when he did that?
Yeah, I think so.
Because you'd be like,
Wow.
Yeah, I don't do
Wow,
that
we
one.
have a food camera. Did not even know that.
that's why I have
What?
A food camera.
there's a food camera on my phone.
Wait.
Let me
How do
see
you
it.
take pictures
Let
like
me
that?
see. Yeah, how you? Wait, where
Really
did
says-
find my food camera?
It says more.
Okay, but what does this
It
do?
says
Makes the
food.
food look colorful? Okay, let me take a picture of myself.
You're not food.
Jaden, you're not food.
I'm a snack.
What is the difference in the
I'm
photo?
telling. I'm telling Pastor.
What's the difference?
I am a snack.
I don't know, but
It lets me zoom in a lot more. And I think
Oh, okay, Android,
I
cool.
don't know.
Okay, Android user.
I might have vertigo too.
Yeah.
No, he's actually went to Penn State Beaver.
Is that
don't
what
want
it
it
is?
up no more.
Look at the
These
inside.
things are making me so fat.
You made yourself fat.
Not this sliver.
You're already fat.
This sliver of cookie is not making me fat.
That's all I'm saying. The Korean Kenshin video.
Oh my god, my calories.
You're already fat. I'm just saying, a little cookie won't make you fat. You're already fat.
That's supposed to be Kit Kat.
This tastes like that brown sugar Pop Tart.
Does somebody else want it?
One.
It's delicious.
Here, give it to.
But it's just
You don't want it
cookie.
either?
I will eat Crumbl
Oh,
cookie
yeah,
again.
here. Go ahead. Here, give it to
I don't
her.
know, it's a little too
No,
soft.
my stomach's a little full.
No.
Okay? I've been eating for the past 3 days.
I don't.
Please,
no.
Ethan, please.
Eat it.
Ethan.
Eat it.
Ethan,
Eat it.
please.
Eat it.
I think that's our sign.
We'll have to finish
You have
it.
saliva on
It's
it.
too soft. For me.
The edge is crunchy, and then the soft it gets soft in the middle.
And it
But
feels like it's not cooked though.
It's like it's just a giant cookie with an absorbent amount of sugary topping on top.
The tres leches is fine, and that was okay. That's the only thing I like.
That's because it was cake.
Yes.
I actually like Crumbl cookie. I've been eating so much. I just, I don't have
But
stomach.
I will say this much: as far as the review for Crumbl cookie for me, it's not really all that is hyped up to.
You didn't see Jesus?
Well, Cane's
No,
wasn't all that.
No, I definitely didn't see Jesus.
You didn't even see an angel?
No. All I know is that this just hurt my feelings. I like, and
I gotta be in the back of an
to be
ambulance.
perfectly honest with you, for the amount of money that I paid, I expected to be wowed, and I wasn't, and that's
Bro,
sad.
you spent $59.
It was fire to me.
Well, I got two
We'll eat again.
of each flavor, so I got a dozen
We'll
cookies.
eat again.
Some of it's alright.
I think.
We'll eat again with Dad.
Well,